Hi, today we're looking into new hardware request form. So if there is any request for a new hardware that is to be used by hardware companies, then this form can be used for that purpose. So here we have some basic essential fields which needs to be filled in for this to work. There are some mandatory fields as well, as you can see by the asterisk mark that we have over here. You can obviously play around with this entire form as per your choice, and you can make anything mandatory, non-mandatory as per requirements. All the fields are editable and customizable as per your needs. So once the entire form is filled in, you can go to the responses view, and all the responses that has been captured, you can obviously see it over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the form builder, click on share form and click on copy form link. So this will copy the link of the entire form that we have over here, and we can expose this link or provide this link to the particular person who is looking to fill out the form. So I'll just open up this form in another tab, and I'm going to quickly fill out this entire form over here, and then we will be able to see how exactly it gets captured over on the responses side. So I'm just randomly putting in some information over here as we are talking, and uh, and then we are going to see how exactly it works. Okay, so you can see I have filled in the entire form from start to end. Now I'm going to click on submit, and then you can see the response has now been submitted. So if I go back to the hardware request form under the responses tab, I will be able to see the new response which has come up over here. So this is how quick, simple, and easy it is to fill out the entire form. Now, one more thing I want to talk about is a tool that is known as PDF Output. PDF Output is a tool that can help you generate PDF documents in bulk. It utilizes a Notion page, which acts as the source of the template file where you can define the entire PDF document, and it needs a Notion database which has the contents that you would replace on a Notion page. So a page and database need to complement each other to generate the documents in bulk. I've added a video of exactly this process, but for the professional invoices. So you can definitely watch this video to understand more about the process. But essentially, you can replicate this process to any documents for your use case. So please do watch this video and check out PDF output. If you have any questions or queries, I'm available at notionformyuse@gmail.com. This is where you can reach out to me with any help that you might need. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.